We are starting another video because the last one fucking crashed at that weird effect last time. This one, I don't know exactly what got lost, but like maybe a few memories that we were watching got lost, but you know, stuff is the stuff.
You can
Looking
just give like
for
an explanation.
someone capable of monitoring the southern entrance to the safe zone. The remuneration is 2 pints of Sioba oil per day. Please contact the Guardian. Okay. So what we did
They didn't.
what we did was we found the last thingy mabobity, the last vending machine thing, and now we're gonna go trade it for a thingy.
Son?
A thingy and a thingy. We're gonna trade it for this music sheet. Hello again, what do you want now? This is a music sheet, a masterful piece of art of a very renowned artist. It will cost you 1 energy drink can. I can't do less. And then we give. Here you go. Boom. Now we have this. And how many do we have? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. Okay, we only have 3, so I need you to look up all the places where they are. Because I want to collect all of them. There's probably one in here. Damn, I thought for sure. Okay, it told us to go to the bar or something, right? So I'm gonna go there. The bar is like what, right here? Yeah? Yeah. Duffer bar.
Okay, good. Okay, I got my snack.
The code is behind here, huh?
Alright. You're
1,
not
2, 8,
showing your
3.
screen.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Okay. Go. Hang on. Okay, so 1283 is the code that we are looking for. 1283, 1283, 1283, 1283, 1283, 1283.
I don't know, like library or something?
1, 2, 8.
No, it's there.
We got some sheet music. Okay, so can you look up where all the sheet music is? Because I don't know.
Okay.
Let's go up here. Big jump. Let's go up here, up here, up here. No, can't go up there. Let's go up here.
One is normal.
Homie, you are going. One is. You are. That is what it sounds like. Sorry. You are a robot again. Robot Jekyll to save the day. Robot Jekyll to save the day. Robot Jekyll to save the day. Why am I going up here? Now I can't go back up. Yeah, I can. Pew, pew. Okay. We're just gonna search around everywhere for that music. And you know what? You guys don't need to see. And if we're going to go in, yeah. Let's just. Ah, there goes the battery. Gimme. Oh, some water. Finally. Come on. What if I want to see the cat drinking water? What the hell? What the fuck? 0 out of
Okay, so
10.
I'm gonna move the searches to my phone because of the searches, Google searches are kind of making the stream glitchy.
Mm-hmm. How do I... Where's the book? It's in here, isn't it? Where's the book? Oh my god. Homie vapes. No, this is a catastrophe. Where the fuck is the book? Come on, man. Hello, the book. Where's the book? Where is the book? I don't even remember. Hello? Did I already get the book? I'm confused. We got 2 books, Clementine's and Momo's. But this is not Clementine's area. This is Baltazar's, right? So, where's the book? There's no book in here, huh? Now I'm just fucking confused. You know what? We'll get back to that later. Okay. Let's go to Momo's. Yeah, off to Momo we go. Hey, yo! Momo! Momo! Hey, yo! Momo! Hey, yo! Momo! Translate? This city has a cylindrical shape of about 450 meters in diameter. There is a level above ours. The city seems to have a ceiling. If I believe my books, a big blue sky is hidden behind. No, we're not translating that. I already know what that says, and it's boring. So, they're not here. Okay, you know what? You know what, man? Maybe it was right there. Is this where the sheet of paper was? Is this where the music sheet was?
Let me see. Google search. It's on a high shelf, I believe, from what it looks like.
Huh.
Stream's definitely less glitchy now, for me.
That's great. You know what would be great? Can you send me the picture? Because I'm going to be on a wild goose chase again. I'm completely out of my mind. I will do it. Oh, I found it. Never mind. Found it. Boom. Let's get the fuck out of here then. Let's scratch this first. Boom. I've left my mark. Let's get out. Let's be gone. Alright. Tell me where the next one is going to be.
Okay. Did you get sheet music 3?
Sheet music 3. We've got 2. Yeah, we got 3. We got...
Yeah. Do you have 4?
Yes.
Do you have 4?
Yes. I just said
Do you
yes.
have 5?
No.
Okay, the 5th piece of sheet paper, sheet music is located in the bar. You know
Awesome.
where that is?
Yeah. Also, my very fat cat just climbed up my ladder to get on my bed. So, what I'm wondering in this game is, why can't the cat climb ladders? Because my cat can climb ladders and he's huge. He's ginormous.
Maybe not all cats can climb ladders, I don't know.
I mean, they certainly learn to. What I'm saying is, after a while, they should be able to learn.
Also, 2nd floor.
2nd floor.
God damn, this stream is so glitchy.
That is to be expected. Okay, so we've got number 5. Boom. Now we just gotta know where... We've got 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 6 and 7.
We have 6?
We need 6 and 7.
Oh, okay. Also, can you, for me, so I can, like, see the... Can you, turn the stream off and then turn it back on?
Okay.
Place.
Clementine's place. Shit. Where's Clementine's place? I forgot.
I wish there was, like, a map that could, like, help you in this game.
Yeah.
Since directions are
Why is this guy so suspicious? I don't know. He's just suspicious. I almost want to follow him to see what his routine is. Okay, I shouldn't do that. Let's not do that. I already have Clementine's book, so it should be in that first place that we looked, which is somewhere over there. Yeah, get your ass down. Let's go to Clementine's. Boop 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 boop. Okay, so where exactly is it? This is Clementine's, right?
Wait, let me see. It looks, yeah, similar to the image. It's on a bookshelf that you were just looking at. It'll give you, it's like a smaller little bookshelf thing. It doesn't have that many books. But actually a big bookshelf.
Found it.
Like right there next to the bed.
Found it. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We just need number 7 out of all of them. And then boom,
Okay,
we can
that's
just
in
go
the.
listen to music. And then we
Okay,
can
so
like
that
have
one is
an hour break. It's where?
yeah, that's at the uh library, I think.
Library. I
Have you
definitely
been
know
to
where
the
that is.
library in this yet?
I don't think so.
I think there's a safe there as well, like one of the book, also like a notebook there.
Okay, hold on, let me read this. Barterman, Super Spirit, Laundry.
That doesn't really help with directions, not gonna lie.
Yeah. Like, where does he pick up that gear? Oh, hello. So if today is yesterday's tomorrow, tomorrow will be yesterday today, right? Time is weird. We don't age like our soft one ancestors. We are trapped here forever. That's sad, man.
I love being, I love being referred to as the soft ones. So
Is
funny.
this... Was I just here? I'm confused. What does this say? Announcement, I'm looking for any sheet music to play the guitar to add some ambiance. If you find any, bring them back to me. I live near the elevator. Marusk. Awesome. Okay, so where is the library? Shut up, dickhead. Spider-Man. Where's the library? Hello? I was just here. This is just gonna be me running around, huh? Finally, I found it.
Lag is kind of gone a little bit. It's better.
Cool. Resume, okay. Translate. Hey Doc, I found the keys to your safe. You need to be more careful with these. It's not enough to bury your safe behind a bunch of books. Just the librarian. Ew.
Yeah, and then like there's stacks of books that you need to jump on and stuff.
Boom. That's really what we were here for.
I think like the safe might be like around there. Just need to jump on some kind of books that I think low to the ground, maybe? Ah, that looks a little
Looks a little safe-ish.
safe-ish.
Boop. Boom. Nice work. Another notebook. This one seems to belong to someone named Doc. After weeks of research, I've combined a spectrometer with a powerful UV lamp. With this, we should be capable of warding off the Zerks on our way out. The initial attempt was explosive. I might have to test it under real conditions. Let's find the other notebooks.
Okay.
1, 2.
I'm gonna look up where the music sheets
3.
are so I can find the 7th one.
We just found it.
Oh, you just found it?
Yeah, that's why we were going to the library.
Oh
My
yeah.
God.
Do they have all of them?
Alzheimer's. Yes, we have
Get
all
the
of them.
couch like any norm. Yeah. So I can. I think we have everything in this area. Aside from, we have all
Aside
the
from the
notebooks,
last
right?
book. No, we don't.
No, we don't. Want me to Google that?
Yes, Google where Baltazar's notebook is because I was looking for it and I just did not know where it was. I was just so confused. I was like, what? Where the hell is it? That's exactly how I was like. I was like, what? And I was like, where is it? And I was like, I'm going to I'm going to jump off of this building. And then I did. But I'm a cat, so I survived. And I'm fine. Into here. Wait, hold on. What does that say? No, that says like ventilation or something. It says sussy walkie baka
That's
waka.
my Google's for real our best friends when it comes to like
To me being
comes
a
to the
goddamn idiot. Maybe it's in this box. But of course the place I didn't look. God damn it. Finally, the last notebook. This one seems to belong to someone named Baltazar. All trace of organic life has disappeared except for what we call the Zerks. They seem to eat almost anything that moves and breed at an inconceivable rate, as if being locked in the city wasn't hard enough. Oh, there's also a note in this book. It says I found a design flaw in the transceiver, but I think I figured out how to fix it. Here's the equation. With this, we should be able to help Momo repair the transceiver. If it can communicate with the upper levels, that could be our way up. Let's show him what we found. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the musician.
Yes, and then I'm going to take a well-deserved rest for about an hour so we can get the achievement.
So we found everything in this area, I believe.
Yes, I think so. It's right here. Oh. Okay. I'm taking a nap for an hour. Hold on. Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it here and take a nap for an hour. Good day.